Hello, my name is Dr. Gardner and this is a short video about the coronavirus vaccine we are currently distributing for our patients here at Spirit Rushmede Health Centre. I'll be talking a bit about how the vaccine works and answering some common questions. As you are probably aware, coronavirus causes a variety of problems in the body, but is mainly a respiratory disease, causing those top 3 symptoms we have heard so much about: a cough, a fever, or loss of taste or smell. For most people, it is a mild illness, but for some, it is much more serious, leading to a hospital admission and, sadly, sometimes death. The aim of the COVID-19 vaccines is to prevent or reduce the severity of infection by prepping the body's immune system ready to fight the virus should it come across it in the future. In the past, it has taken a long time for vaccines to be developed. In the case of the coronavirus vaccines, the process has been speeded up by doing different stages of the development and testing process at the same time, rather than one after the other. This has meant the vaccine has been produced more quickly, but has still gone through all the quality, efficacy, and safety checks required. We are distributing the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine. This vaccine has been found to be safe and effective by the MHRA, the Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency, which is an independent group not involved in the manufacturing of the vaccine. This vaccine uses a weakened version of a different virus with an extra bit of code for the special spike protein found on the outside of the coronavirus. This protein is a bit like the identity card by which the immune system recognises the virus. This weakened virus cannot cause illness in our bodies, but causes our cells to produce the spike protein, giving our body the opportunity to make antibodies and other cells which would be able to fight against the virus should it come across it again. So, some common questions. I'm okay at the moment. Can I have the vaccine if I get symptoms of COVID-19? And no is the answer to this. The way the vaccine works is by giving your body a head start on learning how to fight this new virus it hasn't come across before. In addition, if you have COVID-19 symptoms, you need to get a test, isolate, and definitely not come in for a vaccine. I've had COVID. Should I still have the vaccine? Yes, it must be 4 weeks after your first symptoms or positive test, but having the vaccine will build on the immunity your body has already acquired from fighting the virus. Where will the vaccine be injected? It will usually be given into the upper arm into a muscle. This helps the body to mount a good immune response and reduces the risk of causing local reactions. Are there any side effects? Yes, you may experience some pain and redness at the injection site, and you may get a mild fever in the 48 hours following injection. This could be accompanied by a headache, feeling generally unwell, and chills. Not everyone gets these side effects, but if you do, these symptoms should be mild and will resolve quickly. I am pregnant. Can I have the vaccine? At the moment, it isn't advised that pregnant women have the vaccine routinely. If you have had your first dose of the vaccine and then become pregnant, you will be advised to wait until you have given birth before having the second dose. There may be special circumstances in which it is recommended in pregnancy, so please talk to us if you are unsure. I am breastfeeding. Can I have the vaccine? Yes, you are able to have the vaccine. You do need to be aware that there is no clinical trial data proving the safety of the vaccine in breastfeeding, but there is no known risk of giving these types of vaccines in breastfeeding. Are there any other reasons not to have the vaccine? If you have an allergy which causes anaphylaxis, that's a severe type of allergy, to any of the vaccine's ingredients, you should not have it. If you are unwell on the day or have a fever, you should not have the vaccine and should rearrange. If this is your second dose, it should not be less than 28 days from your first dose. You should not have the vaccine within 7 days of having any other vaccinations. I'm allergic to eggs. Can I have the vaccine? Yes, the vaccine is suitable for people who have egg, nut, or soy allergies. Are there any animal products in the vaccine? No, the vaccine is suitable for vegetarians and vegans. You might hear the phrase genetically modified organism. That is the modified version of the virus. It does not contain any components of animal origin. The vaccine does not yet have final halal certification, but it is in the process of confirmation. Once I've had the vaccine, can I hug and see my family? Everyone given the vaccine should continue to follow current advice regarding practicing social distancing, wearing a face mask, and washing hands thoroughly and frequently. Those who have been told to shield should continue to do so until advised otherwise. I have heard about there being a microchip in the vaccine. Is that true? No, definitely not. If I decline the vaccine, will I be refused medical treatment if I get ill? No, absolutely not. The NHS is here for you, but please consider doing your bit to protect yourself, your loved ones, and the NHS. Please have the vaccine. If you have any questions or would like any further information, please contact the Health Centre. All the information given in this video is true at the time of recording. Thank you for watching.